my life? Am I really going to go down this path? And how God changed me for the better, made me better, made me think about what I do every single day, made me realize that I can have better. All I have to do is move better. When I tell you, when I look down my path that I just came from, it is so different. And the funny thing is, this is just the beginning. I am so grateful that God has allowed me to be who I am today. That God has allowed me to move how I move now compared to moving how I did in my past. When I was in my past, I was young, dumb, and naive. I'm not afraid to admit it. I might not have did a lot of the things that motherfuckers did around me, but I still did some dumb things. I still did some